Happy morning, all of you. My name is Mr. Kadangale Pankaj. Today, I am here with the question answers of chapter number 2, History and the concept of time. As yesterday, I have told you that today we are going to conduct question answers which are answer the following questions in one sentence. I told you to prepare for yourself at home. Now, we are going to start here. Those they have prepared, they can give answers easily and they can understand it very well. Okay. So our first question is, which scientific methods are used to estimate the age of the layers of soil and the remains found in them? See, this much big question is there. How I will learn? How I will give answers? Are you getting like this tension? Are you facing from this tension? You are getting these questions. So this much big question is there and how I will learn it? Yeah? I also know. But if you are clever one and if you knows how to do smart work, then easily you can write down all these question answers within few time on your own. So see, a very simple trick is here. While learning, we should use techniques and tricks. So it will be useful and helpful. See here, now what is given here? Answer the following questions in one sentence. What is given here? One sentence. So means what we have to learn? One sentence only we have to learn. Okay. So see, which scientific methods are used to estimate the age of the layers of the soil and the remains found in them? Here what is you asked to us? Scientific methods. Which scientific methods? Means one or two methods will be there. Okay. See what is the answer. Carbon-14 analysis. Carbon-14 analysis and tree rings analysis. These two scientific methods are there. In our regular videos, we have learned these. I have shown you diagrams also. Yeah, tree ring, all these things I have shown you. Now see, carbon-14 analysis and tree rings analysis. These two words you have to keep in mind. And see, now remaining answer you are getting from your question only. Say from here. Carbon-14 analysis and tree rings analysis are the from your scientific methods. See, scientific methods are used to estimate the age of the layers of soil and remains found in them. See, from here, as it is question, we have copied here downside. Is there any difficulty now? See, as it is question we have copied, but just what we have added there, on the place of this which, we have written answer. Okay, then and only you will get marks. Otherwise you will think as it is question I have to copy means everything I will copy. Not everything. 90% we have to take from question. See, this 10% which, this one we have removed and we have added there this thing. Carbon-14 analysis and tree rings analysis, and remaining part as it is we have copied down. Understood? So like the tricks and techniques we have to use. Okay. In Marathi, I told you how to write answers. क येणारा शब्द तो आपण काढून घ्यायचा आणि त्याच्या जागेवर आपलं उत्तर ठेवून द्यायचं. क चा शब्द काढून घ्यायचा आणि आपलं उत्तर तिथे ठेवून द्यायचं. म्हणजे आपलं उत्तर काय आलं? एका वाक्यात उत्तर पूर्ण होतं. In the same way, here, which we have removed, our answer we have put, and remaining question as it is we have written. Understood? So now, is there any botheration that how to learn these much big question answers? No? Very good. So like this, we have to use tricks and techniques. Okay? See, simple things are there. I will explain you. You will understand, and on your own you can write question answers. So do you understand this first question? carbon-14 analysis and tree rings analysis. Now our second question is how is the first century of the Common Era written? How is the first century of Common Era written? So which word we are going to remove here now? This one, how. How is the first century of Common Era is written? Now here see what we have done. As it is question we have copied from here. See, the first century of the Common Era is, this is we have taken here, is written as, and here on the place of how, answer is written as 1 to 100 AD. So see, what is our answer? This much only, 1 to 100 AD. Remaining part we have taken from question only. The first century of the Common Era is written as 1 to 100 AD, means Anno Domini. Next question, see, this third question is similar to second question, only here century is asked, here millennium is asked. Yesterday we have learned in fill in the blanks, century and millennium. So see, how is the first millennium of the Common Era written? As it is, see, how we are going to remove this remaining question, we will copy here, is after that is we will write here. See, the first millennium of the Common Era is written as 1 to 1000 AD. What is the answer? 1 to 1000 AD. Understood? Now next one, fourth question. What is the smallest unit to measure the time? What is the smallest unit to measure the time? Here also simple thing. What we are going to remove? What? Then remaining question as it is we will write down, and then on the place of what we will write your answer. Replacement we have to give answer. Okay, I'll rough here and then I'll explain you answer. Okay, see, don't miss the video, see full video, then and only you can understand all these things. If you will miss today, you will miss forever and ever. Afterwards, I'm not going to explain you all these things, small things, and other teachers, they will also not explain you. So this one is your age to learn these things now only. Okay, if you will say that afterwards I will learn, then afterwards never comes. Okay, so look at the board. See here, our answer, our question was, what is the smallest unit to measure the time? What is the smallest unit to measure the time? Here question was written, what is the smallest unit to measure the time? So our answer is, see, when question is asked from what and which, what and which, at that time we have to remove that what and which, and on this place same as it is we have to put their answer. And when question is asked from how, then how, why, then remaining question we have to copy and then we have to write answer at the last. But when which and what will come, at that time on the place of what and which, there only we have to write answer. Okay, so here question is asked, what is the smallest unit to measure the time? So that what we have removed as it is and what we have written here, answer second. See, on the place of what we have written, second. Second is the smallest unit to measure the time. Simple, over answer. Only one word we have replaced. On the place of what we have written, second. Second is the smallest unit to measure the time. Here one more question is there, you can understand here. Question number 5th. What are the two main periods of history? What are the two main periods of history? See here, what I am going to do now here, what I have told you, on the place of what remove this what and as it is write the answer on its place. Means just we have to replace what with the answer. What are the two main periods of history? Which are two main periods of history? Prehistoric period and historic period. So see, here I have written answer on the place of what? Prehistoric period and historic periods. Remaining question as it is copied downside. Are the two main periods of history? Are the two main periods of history? Understood? When what will come, which and what will come, that at that time we have to write answer on its place. Understood? Prehistoric period and historic period are the two main periods of history. Now another question. How? What is here? How? See, how do we get information about the events in prehistoric period? How do we get information about the events in prehistoric period? How we are getting information in prehistoric period? So see, what I have told you, when, what and which will be there, at that time we have to replace answer on your place. But now when, how will be there, how, why, then we don't have to replace answer on their place. Answer will come at the last. So we have to start with the question. See, remove this how. Helping verb also we don't have to take immediately. You are learning English helping verb. Do is a helping verb. Okay, means am is are there, am is are was where, these are the helping verbs. But now we cannot take here am is are, so we have taken another verb, helping verb do on their place. See, so what answer we have to write here? As it is this question we are going to copy downside. We get information about the events in the prehistoric period. See, I have written as it is. We get information about the events in the prehistoric period. Taken? Now, how is there? So at the last we have to write answer. Here answer is little bit big. See, from the remains buried under the ground. Buried, I have told you that put something inside the ground and put soil on it. So buried under the ground and with the help of scientific methods. Understood? We get information about the events in the prehistoric period from the remains buried under the ground and with the help of the scientific methods. Understood? Okay. So what is your today's homework? Today's homework, all these 6 question answers you are going to copy in your notebook and you are going to learn them. Okay. How you will copy question answers? You will learn all question answers first. Okay. And then question you will copy from video and answer on your own you will try to write it. All 6 answers you will write and again from video you will check it and then you are going to send it me on school group. Okay. Now here answer in one sentence are completed. Now what we are going to learn tomorrow, that I am going to tell you now. So that also you are going to study today only. Okay. So tomorrow you will understand it. And these tricks and techniques you have to keep in mind, so that then and only you can write big question answers. Okay. Now tomorrow we are going to take complete the chart given below. This question we are going to take, it is given in your book also, and then answer in brief. These 2 questions we are going to take tomorrow. Do you understand? Okay. So best luck for your study. Thank you very much.